without underscores, which is a WordPress theme, and just explain what it is and what it isn't. Underscores is basically a very basic stripped back theme, really aimed at developers rather than people who want to do things visually. It's very much a development theme. It's actually made by Automatic, who are the sort of the commercial arm of WordPress, if you like. They make Jetpack and a few other things like that. And you can get it from, I don't think I've got the website address there, but if you Google underscores, you'll find it. It's a theme in its own right, is the main thing to take away. Quite often when you develop themes, you'll get a main theme and you'll create a child theme, and the child will inherit whatever the parent theme does, and then you develop the child theme and override what the parent does, so that when the parent is updated, you can update the parent and the child will be fine. But with underscores, it's actually a theme in its own right, so you don't create a child theme, you don't worry about doing that, you just get this theme and you develop this theme itself. You can get it directly from GitHub, or you can go to the underscores site that's there. If you get it from the underscores site, you can actually put in a name for the theme, and when it downloads, it'll have whatever you've called the theme name, it'll change all the naming in the theme, which is quite useful. Whereas if you get it from GitHub, it will just be called _s, and you'll have to change the name yourself. But if you get it from GitHub, it does contain all the Sass files. So if you're somebody that develops in Sass and converts Sass to CSS, it's quite useful to get it directly from GitHub because you'll have the Sass files already, so you can just sort of plug it in straight away. When you install it, you'll get a very, very basic site, and absolutely no theming really whatsoever. There's some very basic CSS going on, but like an old-fashioned website from sort of 94 or something. But it's good because nothing's been done. You're not having to override anything. Any sort of work that you do, you're starting from scratch really, which for a lot of people, when they're developing a theme, they find it very frustrating that they've got to figure out what the CSS is doing and sort of fight against what's happening. This is the idea of this theme is it's completely stripped back, and it's up to you to add styles and add your own markup as necessary. It has some minimal CSS. It doesn't look like it's got any at all, but it has got some minimal stuff. But it's really there for you to put your own styling on it. So the first thing you want to do is, there is actually a CSS file. I said you want to add one, but there is one there. But the first thing you'd want to do is to go into that and start making a few changes there. Mentioned it. There's just a few basic things. There's a 404 template and some sort of optional header implementation. So if you want a header image on all your pages, that's in there. And a few bits and pieces. I'll put these slides up so that you can read them more at your leisure. That's just a sort of, that's basically what you get when you download it and install it. Those are all the files. As you can see, it's pretty basic really. You don't have templates for every single type of page, so you will have to create some of your own templates if you're using different things. If you're doing your, it has got an archive page, but if you want different archive pages for different post types and stuff, you're going to have to sort of do some of that yourself.
Would you leave the CSS that comes with it, the style, would you leave that as is and then build to that, or would you get rid of it completely, or how?
I think, well, when I started to do it, I built on top of it. So I used Sass, so I imported the basic CSS and then I built on top of it. Yeah. But actually, I think you can just go straight. Because actually, I didn't know this, but if you downloaded it from GitHub, you actually get the Sass files there. So I'd probably just go into those and use those really, and use that structure, because that seems to be a sensible sort of structure for things, and add stuff if you need to.
Does it have all the reset styles in there?
I believe so. I'm not 100%. I think it probably does have.
CSS file resets on the cells at the beginning.
Sorry.
The CSS file, it does resend the...
As all the CSS resets.
Yeah, I think so.
At the top, then you can eventually leave the first bit alone and modify the bits after.
Yeah, I think it contains a reset, but I don't know. I would have thought so.
You don't like it from the
Yeah. For people that don't understand, if you're building a theme, or if you're building anything in on the web these days, it's really helpful to have a reset for your CSS, because different browsers will render different things and have at the bottom you'll get a form that will look completely different on different browsers, so a reset just makes everything the same across all browsers. So the advantages of using underscores, obviously it's starting from scratch, but it gives you a little bit of a help. You're not quite starting from scratch, you've got some structure there to start with. But one of the big advantages I found of using it is it's a very good way of learning about WordPress development. You know, if you're new to it and you've learned, you know a bit of PHP, you know a little bit of CSS and stuff, and you've gone onto the WordPress website and you're looking into sort of various templates and how they work, it's quite good to have very, very basic structure there that you can play around with and have a look at and sort of and learn about development. I think it's quite useful. Disadvantages, obviously, you have to put a lot more work in yourself because it hasn't got this parent-child thing going on. It means that if they update underscores, it's not going to update your version of underscores, so you're going to have to do some work yourself. But I think it's quite a useful way to begin, and I found it a very useful way of starting. I don't know if other people have got other ways, other basic themes they use. I know there are a few other ones like bare bones, I think, and things. And no, just do it from scratch. Yeah.
I think there's about a dozen of them, but I found this one the easiest one to begin with.
Yeah, I think so. It's very basic, and if you do make it from scratch, you've probably built your own commentary which you use, and then you update yourself. So. Yeah.
But one thing did my head at the beginning is the menu doesn't show up.
Menu.
The menu on the underscores. The menu.
Oh yeah. There is a basic menu.
It's hidden. You have to take CSS to show it.
Yeah. There's a sort of a responsive menu, so that when it's sort of shrunk down, it will come up with a button that you press, and so it needs a bit of tweaking to get it to work. But it's very basic, but I think it's quite useful. Very useful for learning about WordPress, I would say. It's just starting out. Yeah, so.
It's sort of a very trying thing. If I've got a website which I can find out, which the person wants to make it look pretty standard, you can find some pretty standard on the repository or somewhere, use that and do it there. Because it's a lot more customized, a lot more customization in it. I'll then use it underscores to go and then build that sort of theme up. It obviously requires a lot more effort.
Depends how much customization is needed. If it's a basic blog, you might be better off going for a basic blog theme that's already done.
I think my experience, because I started doing as I was starting, and after you do a couple of themes on underscores, you know what everything is. It's quite easy for you to change.
It is, yeah.
Change very quickly. 10 minutes you can make it look completely different.
Yeah. It doesn't have.
So, people using underscores then presumably install Bootstrap or a similar CSS framework.
You could do if you wanted to, or you could just use your
Or
own.
you could. Yeah, you could. But is that common in the underscores world? That you then go and find your favourite CSS framework, install that, and away you go and code your theme?
I don't know. I think it's up to individual developers, really. I started to use Compass, which isn't really a framework as such, but it sort of has a lot of things like prefixing and stuff.
Yes, and
so there's mixins and stuff. And you can
say
a
whole bunch of really.
I want box shadow, but I don't want to have to tediously write out vendor prefixes for all different
it's really
browsers.
Nice.
So it just does it, and I think there's a thing
called
talk
on Compass and stuff.
Possibly there's a thing called Neat as well, which does grids, which or you could just use Bootstrap, and that's got grids and stuff in it as well. So it depends what you're comfortable with. I don't think there's an answer, really. I think it's just what you're comfortable with and what I don't know what other people use, what other people
Yeah, I've used Compass a little bit, but generally, I found a responsive grid system that somebody created that I just reuse for stuff now, and it sort of depends on the design to a huge extent, and occasionally I'll have a front end developer do that side of things. I think if you have a front end developer providing you with HTML, CSS, all that kind of stuff, then using something like underscores can actually be really great, because it gives you, you've got the blocks of code, like here is a loop and here is a series of posts, that kind of thing, that you can take and you can see how they fit in, and that can be quite a good way of working. So yeah, using Bootstrap or a CSS framework would be a really good way of working, I think. Something like that.
Yeah, just grab the code itself.
Yeah.
I know you use Bootstrap really. Doing the import Bootstrap into it, CD or whatever, and use that.
There's Foundation as well. I think Foundation was better than Bootstrap, and then Bootstrap's caught up and got better, and I don't know which is the best now, but Bootstrap's the one that was developed by Twitter, I guess.
Yeah. You don't see as many sites that look obviously Bootstrap.
Yeah, it did.
Everything was Bootstrap, wasn't it?
Yeah, it did
Great
sort of,
button.
everything looked like Twitter, yeah. And then you could build things quickly, but your downside is everything looks the same, so, yeah.
It's great for doing back ends if you're building your own little CMS or management system for anything. Just use Bootstrap, and everything is there. All the elements are there. You don't have to worry about it.
Yeah, you can say, I want a button, I want an active button, deactive button, and it's just all there, and you don't have to sort of think.